Hello everybody. Guess what? TikTok made me do it. Now this company did not reach out to me. I paid for this product with my own money. So letting you guys know that you can get this from Walmart. If you have a Walmart in your area, go ahead and check them out and see if they have this product. Now this is the Cirkul water bottle that's been floating around TikTok. So I was curious. I had to buy one. $19.99. So inside the box, this is how it lays, how it's laid out. So you can reuse your box for anything because it is magnetic. Now inside the box you will get a 22-ounce plastic bottle, comfort grip lid, 2 flavors cartridges, which I just showed you, the fruit punch and the mixed berry. And I bought an extra one, which is the black cherry, which was what, $3.95. So I went on, I filled my water bottle up with water and ice. So I am going to place the lid on my bottle, which I almost forgot. And I am going to place the cartridge on inside of the lid. Now, this has like 9 settings. And I'm showing you, you just twist it to whatever settings you want it on. So I decided to go ahead and try number 1. Start from the bottom on up. So number 1, I'm trying number 1. Number 1, you're not going to get too much flavor out of number 1. So I didn't really taste anything. Now I'm going to try number 3. So I tasted a little, but not much. So I decided to go ahead and pass number 5 and go straight to number 6. Yeah, number 6. Wow. It's like you're not drinking water, you're just drinking fruit punch. So I went on up as high as like number 8. So you get that more intense flavor coming from this bottle, this cartridges. It's just like you drinking the real thing, y'all. Go ahead and try it. I'm glad I got it. So I just want to let you guys know that I got me a Cirkul water bottle. Bye, y'all.